From the perspective of the European Medicines Agency, if we have to select one thing that we must do, that is to increase the collaborative effort and to increase the communication between the stakeholders that are engaged in research, and to help through this communication translate the results into meaningful health outcomes, whether there's going to be health tools, behaviors, policies, or drugs. It will depend on the context. It is very important to keep the opportunity for early dialogue open with the regulators, especially when we're talking about diseases of the brain, especially when we're talking about rare diseases in the field of neurology and psychiatry, because research and innovation are linked. They're inherently linked. Innovation happens in research all the time, but we must make sure that this is translated into actionable items, and it does not only answer the pertinent scientific question, but results in addressing a specific need, a specific gap in the context of healthcare and new drugs and development. And if we have to single out a specific group of stakeholders with whom we'd like to be more engaged, that would be the academics, as they would often need the support that we can give as a regulatory body to translate this scientific research into a health outcome. There are several maybe very important gaps that need to be addressed, especially in the field of rare neurological diseases, and these refer to trying to find, for example, research and innovation answers addressing common etiologies that can provide different targets and common solutions in rare neurological diseases, or the very, very pertinent question about developing new non-clinical models that can only be available for research once they're made available to the researchers. So they not only have to be relevant to the disease that we're trying to target, but also availability, and they have to be accessible. Another point that we always make is that innovation in clinical trial design and innovation in the very, very pertinent discovery of new biomarkers, for example, has to be contextualized. We have to work together with our stakeholders to make sure that everything that is done in this field actually has a context of use that will also be valid for regulatory use. So if I have to summarize, indeed, I want to mention that early dialogue with the regulators, collaborating with the regulators from all areas, including academic, small, medium-sized enterprises, big pharma, any stakeholder, patient representatives, is crucial in order to make sure that we provide the necessary collaborative effort to translate innovation into health outcomes and new solutions for patients.